We live our life according to schedules. We plan meetings, birthday parties, hair appointments, and family get-togethers. Unfortunately, the one thing we cannot plan or predict is when Mother Nature will turn on us with full, merciless force. While we can't stop her from causing unbelievable devastation, we can make it look as though nothing ever happened. That's where we come in. Our dedicated team of diligent experts will swoop in to save the day in a moment's notice. Whether your home or business is suffering at the hands of water or fire damage, we'll clean up and restore your property to its pre-disastrous condition, leaving no stone unturned and no area unattended to. Fire and water damage can be devastating, which is why we're at your service 24/7, 365. You can't schedule disaster, but you can add us to your phone book immediately for resounding peace of mind for the long haul.